Hi everyone, welcome to our final presentation on Connectalk. My name is Justin and I'm joined by Natalie, Charmy, Harsh, and Tui. Today, we will be going over all of our mockup designs, which also includes our final design. But first, what is Connectalk? Well, Connectalk is a platform that connects people who want to practice speaking in a foreign language with a fluent or native speaker, anytime, anywhere in the world. Just pick a speaker, select a convenient time slot, and start talking. Our mission statement is to bring people together and share their love of language. Now, I will be passing on to Natalie, who will be discussing and showcasing the first two desktop designs.
Hello, I would like to present the first design of Connectalk, and we chose to do a desktop one because it's easy to start with. So the first design has a multicolor theme, as you can see. This is the home page. The user can search a language, see upcoming bookings, and see past booking, potentially giving the speakers a tip if they enjoy it. In the top right, we can see there's a setting button. In here, it will open a small window with account activities options. In the search page, after searching the language, the user can see the results with the tutor's details and a calendar icon to book a meeting. The video page is just a standard page, and after ending the call, users can give feedbacks by giving a thumbs up, thumbs down, or giving a task, giving a tip, etc. After sitting together and going through design 1, we decided to stick with a color theme with just two colors. So in this case, it's dark blue and pink. We also experiment with the side navbar, and there are four main additions compared to the first design. First of all, the search page now not only displays the tutor's main information, but also display the number of results found and allow us to sort the tutors by their levels or by the date added. Secondly, now we have added our own booking page. We can see the tutor's information, the calendar, and the time slots. The video page now have added a functionality to send a message just in case they cannot hear each other or they want to know how to spell a word. And lastly, we have added a much more detailed profile page with 4 sections: personal information, payment methods, bookings, and transaction history. This payment methods page has 2 pre-registered credit cards, and this is used to pay the monthly subscription. Compared to design 1, we have made a huge design change in the color theme, the diverse functionality of our app, and therefore increase the user experience. Moving on are Connectalk mobile designs.
Hello everyone, I will be walking you through our third design. For this, we have implemented a mobile app as opposed to our first two web applications. The first page is the login page where the user can log in or register for a new account. The second page is the home page, which consists of a search bar to search for any language to learn. It also consists of the chat box and user profile icon. The search bar will show the different instructors for the chosen language. The third page is our subscription page, which allows the user to choose their custom plan. And finally, the payment page, where the user can see their registered cards and add or edit their existing cards.
Hi, it's Tui. So I'll be talking about our fourth design of the application, which is also our second mobile design. We picked out the 4 pages that represent the design most, so let's go through them. Our first page is our sign up page, where we have basic input for basic information to create an account, which is first name, last name, email, password, and date of birth. Our second page is our cart or payment page, where we display the chosen subscription plan, the total amount that you have to pay, and 2 options to pay, either adding your card or using PayPal. Our third page is our search page. You can search for anything. Over here, in the example, we're searching for French, which returns a bunch of profile cards as results. You can swipe left on a profile card to book a meeting. So in order to book a meeting, the system shows you available dates, which is this white circle, and then in which you can book the time of the meeting. Moving on to our final mobile design, we picked mobile design over desktop design because we think our app offers more of a socializing experience coupled with language practice. Also, it's more convenient to explore the application on mobile phone, and phones are becoming the dominant way people consume media and browse the internet. Let's go through the first 4 pages of our final design. So as you can see, we have a different theme color, and it's more consistent. So the 4 pages here are for sign and sign up functionalities. So in the first page, we have the normal sign page, which has to input for email and password. And the second page is the alternative view whenever any error occurs. A third page is for sign up functionality. We have inputs for informations like name, email, password, confirm password, and date of birth to create an account. We also have an alternative view for errors. The next 4 pages are for picking a subscription plan and paying for it. So in the first page, we have a list of subscription plans. In each card, we have the name of the plan, fee per month, the list of features. If you click on select plan, you will be redirected to the card or the payment page where we display again the chosen plan, payment method, and the total amount of money that you have to pay. If you click on add payment method, there will be a pop-up that prompts you to enter your card's information. Once it is saved, the pop-up will close and the payment method will change. It will display your card's information in a way that it doesn't expose your secrets.
After entering the payment information, the user can confirm purchasing their subscription. On doing so, the screen fades and a prompt notifying the user that their account was upgraded successfully is shown. After closing this prompt, the user is then taken to the main page of the application, which is the home page as seen from the bottom tab bar. One improvement we have made to our final design compared to previous iterations is that at the top of the screen, the user can now have a quick glance at their account information. This includes their avatar, full name, and subscription tier. There's also a hamburger menu, which the user can use to access miscellaneous resources, as well as the contact us page of the app. Below this, the user is shown some promotional content to encourage upgrading to a higher tier subscription, if applicable, to obtain greater benefits while using the app. There's also a search bar where the user can search for a language that they would like to explore. Below that is a list of speakers recommended to the user based on their language interests. There are also tabs to view their upcoming and past speaker bookings. Now, moving on to the third page, the user presses the search button on the bottom tab bar and searches for French. This displays results of French speakers with a high overall rating. Speakers that are favorited will have a heart icon near their avatar and be given higher preference when ranking in results. To build this design, we combine the best parts of our 2 mobile designs, creating a larger card-like format while highlighting some of the key information and options. When clicking on a speaker's profile, the user can view various details about the speaker, such as their overall rating, a description about them, and some tags they are commonly linked with. They also have an option to book a meeting with that speaker. After clicking on the option to book a meeting, the user is taken to the booking page, where the user is shown a calendar with certain dates highlighted for when that speaker is available. After clicking on one of these dates, the user is then shown the available time slots for that day. After the user then selects a time slot, a booking confirmation is shown at the bottom listing the chosen date and time for that meeting. Moving on to the next page, this is what the user sees once the booking was confirmed and the meeting has begun. There are quick toggles at the bottom to mute and unmute the microphone, turn on and off the camera, end the call, and view the text chat. On clicking the chat option, the screen fades and the chat is displayed. This is an improvement to our previous design, where the video call would either be shrunken or hidden entirely in order to accommodate the chat window. After the meeting is completed, an optional feedback page is shown to the user. Here, the user can rate their experience with the speaker, leave a tip, or add some comments to describe their experience. Alternatively, they can also press the skip button to close the form. The user can view their active conversations by pressing the third option in the bottom tab bar. Unread messages can be filtered by the Unread tab, but are also highlighted to be clearly visible in the All Messages tab. The user can swipe left on a message to delete that conversation. Next, the user can access their profile page by clicking on the fourth option in the tab bar. The profile page consists of the user's main information as well as some statistics regarding their app usage, such as their number of bookings, minutes talked, and average rating. Below this is a menu which consists of options relating to the user's account management. Navigating to the personal information option provides the user a detailed description of their profile with an option to customize this information. When building these pages, we iterated on our original mobile designs and categorized information to improve application usability and reduce information clutter. Finally, the user can access the Contact Us page from the hamburger menu. This design was improved to offer the user more convenience and options in contacting us. The user also has the option to sign up for our newsletter or follow us on social media to keep up with the latest updates. That was all for our final design. By experimenting with our prior designs, we were able to reflect on our design choices and how they impacted the finished product. Our goal when creating this design was to develop the best version of our application by learning from all of these iterations. We utilized the best parts of our designs and incorporated practical, real-world use cases to create a functional, usable, and learnable wireframe for our application.
To sum it all up, it is no surprise that the app development process is both exhausting and overwhelming. There have been numerous steps and processes we have followed, as well as numerous decision-making mechanisms. However, we have done our best to cover as many scenarios and possibilities as possible that our app may encounter. There may still be unexpected challenges, but these designs have assisted us in developing the basic framework for the process as well as the application. Thank you.